Oh no! She's turning to look at us! Don't move, don't move, don't move! Don't move? I've been waiting for this chance. I love you.
Red light, green light. Red, red, red. Green light means go. Red light means stop. Heart means love. I love you. I accept your profusion of love.
Yes! I can't believe my dreams are coming true! But what about the game? Did I win then? I love you so much, girl. I'm gonna kiss you now.
Kiss? No, no, no. Red light.
Huh? What happened? Don't you want my kiss?
No. We have other plans to attend to.
A movie? You're kidding. That's not as fun as kissing.
Red light on kissing, and green light on going to the movie. Here we go. We cannot be late. I like the previews.
Ah! We're going too fast! Slow down!
We have made it to the theater on time. Take your seat so we do not miss the previews as they will start soon.
What the heck? There's a leaf in my mouth. Get all this garbage off me!
What is that couple doing over there? Is she feeding him popcorn? I understand. That is a green light on feeding him snacks.
This trailer is hilarious. What the heck was that? That was a lot of popcorn. But, thanks. I do love it.
Green light on more popcorn for my boyfriend.
Red light! Let's just set that aside for now. I'm good.
What is the other couple doing now? Oh, she's holding his fingers in her own. Physical touch means greater shared love.
Aww, she wants to hold my hand. So cute! No, no, no. Just gotta fight through the pain.
What should I do now to express my love to him? Oh my goodness, they're kissing. It seems that now is indeed the time for the smooching. Pucker up, we're going to kiss now.
What? I don't want to kiss you when you're making that face! Oh wow. Look at how sparkly this ring is. I think she's really gonna love it. Oh, here she comes. I better hide it for now so she doesn't see.
Hello, boyfriend. I have come to join you for a meal.
But please stay here. I'll be right back.
I very much appreciate how he looks. He has a pleasing appearance. Oh, it seems like he has left his phone on the table. It would not express trust if I were to look at his phone. Oh, red light hand. You should not be acting on your own. I said red light. Why are you doing this? Let go! Oh, it seems he has protected his phone with a passcode. Well, I will try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It seems that is not the passcode. Wait, I know a different way I can access his phone. It is good that I carry around this PC for moments such as this. Looks like my hacking has now given me a green light to his phone. Oh no, he is returning from wherever it is he went to. I must hide this evidence of my betrayal. Oh my goodness, he has brought roses and a violinist. He is using romance to increase our love. It is working!
I got these. I got these for you. Oh wow, he's really going for the full proposal. Go, bro. You can do it.
A ring. This means you're proposing. I must say, why is your phone locked with a passcode?
Oh, yikes. This proposal's quickly falling apart. Yeesh. Guess I'll be leaving too.
He fled. Now I am sad.
Sorry, bae. I need my phone.
That looks very scrumptious and satisfying. Red light.
Owie, owie, ouch! That's my pinky finger!
This cookie belongs to me.
No, 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 no way! I've got it now. Looks like it belongs to me.
I have been confounded by your actions. I will try and take the cookie from your presence.
Looks like I'm too fast for you! Ha ha! Defend yourself for the rights of this cookie!
We are going to battle. Green light on your battle. Red light on your victory.
And dodge! Dodge that one too!
Your defenses are stronger than I would have guessed.
I told you not to underestimate me. I'm not gonna go easy when there's a cookie on the line. How are you blocking all my attacks? You're so fast!
It is easy. Your moves are predictable.
Well, what about this? Or this? Okay, wait. Maybe I can just time my moves against hers. Ha! Got you! And now for my super move. What do you think about this?
my. If we are dancing now, then I will spin you.
Whoa! Ah!
I have been successful. The cookie now belongs to me. I shall eat it now. It is delicious and satisfying, as I predicted.
What a long day. I'm tired. Can't wait to go to bed. Be all nice and cozy. Just gotta fluff my pillow a little bit. And now I'll just play on my phone a bit. This'll help me fall asleep, I'm sure.
It is time for my sleep cycle. I must refresh my body with rest.
Yeah! I'm kicking butt in this game!
What is that light interference? Red light on your phone usage.
Oh, sorry. You're right. I'll stop. Is she asleep yet? Looks like it. Back to my game!
The light interference has returned. I will be taking your phone from you. It is time for our sleep cycles, not for gaming on your phone.
No! My phone! I can't believe you did that! Just crushed my phone. Didn't even care. Time is a fourth dimension? Don't like donuts, though.
Too much interference on my sleep cycle! Remove yourself from this space on the bed.
Whoa! What are you doing? Why did you shove me out of bed? Oh no. Don't move.
This is my teddy bear. He will be watching you while I sleep. Finally, I can continue my resting process without interference.
Ooh, these groceries are heavy. So much work.
I have brought the rest of the groceries into our home.
Nice! Good job, babe. Alright, time to dig into this good-looking lunch. I'm gonna start with this sandwich, I think. That is real tasty. Just what I wanted.
I will imbibe of this nutritious fare as well.
Ah, shoot. My phone's ringing. I better answer. Hello? Yeah, hold on. Let me go check the other room.
He has left this space. He has abandoned his food. Now is my chance to eat it. I will take this plate of sandwiches. Time to devour this food. Into my stomach you go. Delicious. I will eat some more of his food. This food is pleasant to eat. My mouth approves of the feel. There is still more food for me to consume on this plate.
Yeah, I know, bro. That boss is hard to beat. What happened to my lunch? It's completely gone. Every single plate is empty. There's nothing left. Babe, did you eat all of my food while I was gone?
That was very satisfying. Sandwiches are now my favorite food. Wait, what is that insect on the table? A cockroach. Do you see this bug? You must do something about it.
Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm on it. I'll just use my shoe. That'll stop it. Alright, Roach. Time to meet your maker via my sneaker!
You plan to demolish this insect using your footwear?
Die, bug!
Where has its remains gone? They are missing.
What? How could it have gotten away?
Oh, I have located the roach once more. Do not move. You will disturb the roach. It is resting on your head.
Wait. It's on… my head?
I will deal with the insect. Red light, bug. I have been successful.
How would you deal with a roach on your head? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.